Imagine a world where machines decide who lives and who dies. Are we ready to trust our lives to artificial intelligence? In the fast-paced city life, a squad of soldiers find themselves pinned down, rockets raining down around them. Desperate, one soldier radios for help. Moments later, a fleet of small autonomous drones buzzes through the town square. These drones, loaded with explosives, dart into buildings, scanning for enemies before detonating on command. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's a dramatized promotion for a leading Israeli defense company. Their AI-enabled drones are designed to maximize lethality and combat tempo. But these aren't just marketing fantasies. The Ukrainian military has deployed AI-equipped drones to strike Russian oil refineries, and American AI systems have targeted airstrikes in Syria and Yemen. In Gaza, Israel used AI to label 37,000 Palestinians as suspected militants. The rapid integration of AI into warfare is reshaping battlefields and raising serious ethical questions. The technology's unregulated nature amplifies the ethical dilemmas. National militaries worldwide are eager to adopt AI, despite its unpredictability and moral implications. This enthusiasm has sparked a multi-billion-dollar AI arms race involving Silicon Valley giants and global superpowers. The term Oppenheimer moment is often invoked, referencing J. Robert Oppenheimer's creation of the atomic bomb. This phrase underscores the dual-edged nature of AI in warfare, potentially revolutionary yet horrifically destructive. The military alone has over 800 AI-related projects, with a 2024 budget request of $1.8 billion for AI development. This investment surge is fueling debates about the future of conflict. Autonomous weapons experts warn that these systems could fundamentally alter our relationship with technology and war. There's a risk that over time we see humans ceding more judgment to machines, says Paul Shara from the Center for a New American Security. As AI technology and warfare accelerates, it's crucial to reflect on where we're headed. The push for autonomous weapons isn't new, but recent advancements have brought the issue into the public eye. These machines can now make more decisions independently than ever before, blurring the line between human and machine intelligence. The Pentagon's investment in AI-driven projects like the Replicator Initiative and unmanned combat drones shows the growing reliance on these technologies. As these technologies become more ingrained in military strategies, the urgency for robust ethical and regulatory frameworks intensifies. Can we control the powerful forces we've unleashed, or will we look back in regret, realizing we've crossed a perilous threshold? Join us in the next episode as we delve deeper into the AI arms race and its global implications. Thank you for watching our series on AI and autonomous weapons. Stay informed, stay engaged, and work towards a safer, more ethical future because the decisions we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. See you in the next episode.